Join me as I try to create the most eye-popping yellow eyeshadow look ever. So if you want to watch how I achieved this gorgeous yellow eyeshadow look, do watch till the end. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe as well, and leave lots of comments. Thank you. First thing first, start by priming the eyelid, and we'll be needing just 3 products: an eyeshadow brush, eyeshadow palette, and a concealer or primer. So quick story time. So there was a time I used to rush my makeup. I wanted sharp eyeshadow in just 5 minutes, you know. Guess what? It always looks stressed, just like me. So one day I decided to slow things down. I blended patiently, no pressure, and wow, the eyeshadow finally ate. Like, it came out so perfect and it was nice. My client loved it. That's when I realized that makeup is like life. When you rush, it shows. When you take your time, the glow hits different. So when next your eyeshadow isn't blending yet, just relax and breathe. Take your time. You are not late. You are loading. And you will definitely get to 100%. Stay with me till the end. The payoff is worth it.